Today's the day.
Today's
where
the day.
Butch meets the STO. The future wifey car. Car wifey. Is that
Car
true?
wifey.
Well, stay tuned. Let's go check it out. We're here at Lamborghini Houston, and today we're checking out the new STO. So today's the day where I actually meet the car that I ordered without seeing it. Now that I'm seeing it, this freaking thing is super gorgeous. I can't believe I ordered a beast. Literally a beast. Look at this car out. Check this out. I ordered a black one.
Black? Oh, black? Heck yeah, dude.
I ordered a black one so that way I can wrap it with whatever color I want.
Yeah.
Just like this, just throwing blue, throwing pink, throwing red, green.
You could do all that yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely gorgeous. And check this out. The whole hood actually comes out completely as a one piece. That's a trap car for sure. I am deeply in love now. Well, I have a surprise for you guys. You guys want to check out what I also bought from here? Let's go. Nah. Nah, it doesn't fit. Maybe? No? Nah. No. Oh, I'm in love.
Trade the yours by that.
Oh no, I still have the yours. But I love this one.
You love that one?
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but just like my heart got attached to this one. And it has a lot of seats. I can put a lot of
You mean a lot of space or the same amount of seats, right?
Oh yeah.
It's like a party but switch.
I'm in love with this car already.
When you go to the zoo with this, ooh!
Oh, trust me. This is my name under the congratulations, boy. That's pretty awesome. Well, there's the STD club, but there's STO.
You're the,
We're the
STD,
STO.
you're the STD club. I'm the STO club.
I don't know, yeah, it's funny as hell. For good luck. Cheers. Cheers to success. Well, I got me some macaroons over here. Did you get some for your daughters too? Well, I got some for my daughters. Oh, so don't forget, make sure you subscribe, Imperial TV, and follow us also on Instagram, Imperial TV. Ciao, till next time, bye.